Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Mathematics. In this video, we are going to know about a very important topic which is required throughout our life. That is differential equation. So first of all, we are going to learn what is differential equations and what are the main aspects of it. After that, gradually we go for the core mathematics. So a differential equation is a relation between the dependent variable, independent variable and derivatives of the dependent variable. So just look, what is differential equation? Here three main terms are there. One is the dependent variable, another one is independent variable and the derivative of the dependent variable. So this equations looks like, here just look, it is 2x minus 3y plus 5xy is equals to 0. Here you will find out x, y, these are the two variables, and dy dx, that is the derivative of y with respect to x is involved. Here we can say that x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable and dy dx the rate of change of this y variable with respect to x. So if in an equation all those terms are involved, then it is the differential equation. Here two more examples are given for the better understanding. D square y by dx square plus 4y is equals to 0. This is another example of the differential equation. And one more is dy dx is equals to y by x plus x into sine y by x. So at first elaborately we come to know about the dependent variable, independent variable, rate of change, and after that the main topics of the differential equation. Dy dx, this one is the rate of change of y. What is y? Y is the dependent variable here and x is the independent variable. Any derivative in the form dy by dx or whatever it be, the variable remain in the denominator is the independent variable and the numerator is the dependent variable. Now we come to know about the main aspect of your differential equation, that is the order of a differential equation and the degree of a differential equation. So how we measure the order and the degree of a differential equation? For that, in any differential equation, dy dx term should be involved. So that dy dx you should observe very minutely. If you will find out in an equation only this dy dx type of term is involved, then its order should be 1 because it is the first order derivative. If in the entire equation the highest order derivative is d square y by dx square, then the order of the differential equation is 2. If it is third order, then the order of the differential equation is 3. So in this way, by the highest order derivative involved in a differential equation, we can identify what should be the order of a differential equation. Likewise, when we are going to verify the degree of a differential equation, that time we should find out that the highest order derivative having how much power. If dy dx only involved in the differential equation, then its degree should be 1. Similarly, d square y by dx square involved but its power is 1, then its degree should be 1. And d cube y by dx cube, its degree is also 1. If it is dy by dx its whole square, then its degree 2. D square y by dx square its whole square, then its degree 2. Similarly, dy dx its whole cube means degree should be 3 in the given differential equation. So here is the definition for the order and the degree of a differential equation. First it is the order. Order is the highest differential coefficient occurring in the equation and degree is the highest power of highest order derivative occurring in the equation after it has been expressed as a polynomial of derivatives. So to understand the definition properly, we should come to know how to find the order and the degree of a differential equation. So how to find out this order and the degree? For that we should follow only two steps. First, write the equation as a polynomial of derivatives. Then no negative and fractional powers are allowed, so we should reduce the equation in such a manner so that any power of derivative should not be in the negative or in the fractional power. So with some example, we verify and going to understand what is the order and the degree of a differential equation. So the first example is here for you. It is d square y by dx square plus 3 dy dx its whole square plus 4y is equals to 0. So here the highest order derivative involved is definitely this one, d square y by dx square. So now this one is the highest one and it is the second order derivative. That's why we should say the order of the differential equation 2. Order of the differential equation is 2. And for the degree, as the highest power of this second order derivative is 1, so that the degree should be 1. Now the second example for you. Here it is the d cube y by dx cube minus 3 dy dx is whole to the power 6 plus 2y is equals to x square. Its order, when you are going to calculate, then its highest order derivative involved here is this one. It is the third order, so that the order of the derivative is 3. And regarding the degree, we should emphasize only on the highest order derivative. That means this one only. So its highest power is 1. So the degree should be 1 only. One more example for you. That is, if this one is your given equation, here look, 1 plus d square y by dx square whole to the power 3 by 2 is given. That one is equals to a into d square y by dx square. A is some constant. So here we should at first reduce this equation to the simplified form, because 3 by 2 is in a fraction and fraction power is not allowed to calculate the degree and the order. So that what to do? At first we squaring both sides of this equation, and after squaring we get 1 plus d square y by dx square whole cube is equals to a square d square y by dx square its whole square. Now the highest power, highest derivative involved here is d square y by dx square. So it is the highest, so it is the second order, so that the order of the differential equation is 2. And regarding the degree, if we simplify this entire term, then we understood that d square y by dx square its whole power 3 is the highest power which we can get after simplification. So that degree is definitely 3 here. Now one more example, that is d cube y by dx cube minus dy dx whole to the power 1 by 2. Emphasize on this power, it is not the general, that is the integer power, it is a fractional power, so you have to simplify. So its degree and the order you are supposed to calculate. Not only that, one more question is here for you, that is y is equals to 2 dy dx its whole square plus 4x whole into dx by dy. Here also you should emphasize on dx by dy. So these two equations are for your reference. You should do these two solutions by yourself. Find out the order and degree for the question number 4 and 5 and write its answer in the comment box. I am waiting for your answer. Okay, so just let me check also that how much you understand about the degree and the order of a differential equation. So all the very best for your answers. Next, it is the type of the differential equation. So now just observe. Differential equations, we come to know what it is. It involves the dependent variable, independent variable, and moreover the derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. One thing, it is very clear that in an equation, dependent variable only be one. Only one dependent variable can be there, and one or more than one independent variables may be there. So depending upon this number of variables, we can have the different type of differential equations. So actually two types are there. One is the ordinary differential equation and another one is the partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation, when you will find out when only one independent variable is there, and partial differential you shall find out when you have more than one independent variable. So remember, in a differential equation, dependent variable is always one, whereas the independent variable may be one or more than one. If it is one, then it is under the ordinary differential equation. If the independent variable are more in numbers, then it is under the partial differential equations. These differential equations again have two types. One is the linear differential equation, another one is the non-linear differential equation. Now, what is this linear and non-linear differential equation? So a differential equation is linear if the dependent variable and its derivatives appear to the first degree only. So when a equation is a linear, when the dependent variable and its derivative appear in the first order only. If not, then it is non-linear differential equation. For your reference, I shall give you the example over here. That is, when it is linear, then look, the example is dy dx plus x square y is equals to 1. dy dx is the first order, first degree, and y is the dependent variable which is also having the power 1. So this one is a linear one. For non-linear, just look here, x plus y its whole square dy dx. dy dx is in its first order, but y square we shall find out the second power. So it is non-linear. Similarly for the PDE, here the del z del x plus del z del y is equals to 1. This is the linear one, and this del z del x its whole square plus del z del y its whole square is equals to 4z. This one is the non-linear. So I hope you understand, when a equation is called linear, a differential equation is called linear and non-linear. It is clear to you. So these few basic aspects we come to know about the differential equation. In our upcoming videos, we are going to find out that how this differential equation should be formed. After that, how we shall find out the solution of a differential equation. So till that, stay tuned and keep studying. So all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.